Fit like new. Scottish Words, Part 1. Doric Scots. This is half a dozen Scottish words for you to learn, of the north-east of Scotland variety. I hope you enjoy them and maybe use them in your own home or try them out on some of your friends. Now, the first word is mouffe, or mouthful in English, but we say mouffe. So you could hear a mouffe at tea. That's a cup of tea. Enjoy your mouffe at tea. Or somebody could give a recht mouffe. That's when they're maybe arguing with you and they've blurted out a lot of profanities or whatever, and that's a recht mouffe. Now, next we've got mavies. Now, mavies is what the English would call maggots. They're wee wriggly beasties. It eats into a rotten fish or a dead cat or something like that, and we call them mavies. Mavies. Now, the next word is morris. In English, this means the same as. So we would say the vera morris. That means something is the very same, looks the very same. The vera morris or morris. The next word, not to be confused with morris, is matras. Now, matras is our word for a mattress, and of course your mattress is what you sleep on in your bed. Well, we call it a matras. Now, the next word is marless, and this is not to be confused with the word morris, because morris meant the same as. Now, this word is marless, and marless means different. So, if you had a different pair of socks on, we would say they're marless socks, because they're different. So that's the word marless. Now, the last word in today's lesson is moppy. Now, a moppy in English is a rabbit. So you can get wild moppies, tame moppies, or you can make moppy stew or rabbit stew. If it is off a good date. Off a good date. So that's the last word, moppy, meaning rabbit. Now, hope you enjoyed that lesson in Doric Scots words, the Toung or the northeast of Scotland. I'll catch you after.